Yo guys, I have a problem here. I don't know what I have to do. I just downloaded these all games, and my problem is an installation problem. Just say it. Here, this is my problem. I'm a recruiter during the installation problem 80028002956 and I don't know what the matter. I saw a lot of video about this. They say rebuild the database. I just rebuild the database, restore the default setting. I just do all of stuff, but it still didn't work. If you guys have an idea, if you guys figure out this code, please comment.